Good morning from Blue Ray Ranch, sharing this beautiful 6:30 a.m. view with you. The mist over the mountains, listening to the birds. A dear friend shared an app called Merlin from Cornell University. And we have 20-some different species of birds surrounding us here at the mountaintop. I'm hoping that you can hear them on this video. The wonders of nature. Something we often take for granted. Take time to embrace the views, the sounds, the smells, the feel of the air. Sending love to all of you from Blue Ray Ranch.